Hey y'all, welcome back. So in 2021, don't let anyone shame you out of your slay, not today or any day. Regardless of your hair care concerns or where you are in your journey, you deserve the right to feel beautiful. And in today's video, this is for those of you who want no leave out. You know I got you and I'll show you the way. So make sure you keep on watching. Asteria Hair decided to send over this kinky straight headband wig, 18 inches, okay? Lots of texture for my 4C, 4Z, 5G LTE queens, okay? And the cap construction has 5 combs, you know, and the Velcro attachment. So, you know, it's extra secure. Your wig is not going anywhere. So I decided I wanted to do some wand curls. You guys really seem to like when I show you the versatility of the units. So today's video is really no different. So again, with the wand curl, which I'll have linked in the description box, I like to go in and make sure that the hair is very, very close around the barrel itself. And then I like to mist it with some sort of holding spray. You can use the mini hardhead spray, the high insta hold spray, all which are really, really good. You want to hold it for about, 10 seconds, spray it, let it set, and then use a double prong clip to hold it in place. I allowed the curls to stay like this for about 2.5 hours. And you also want to make sure that you leave a section of the hair out in the front that you're not going to curl. This is going to, be a little bayang, okay? Yes. And so again, I really wanted to do something where there's no leave out because some of us have different hair care concerns, and I want you to know that headband wigs can work for everybody. When planning this look, I fell in love with this headband that Asteria Hair sent over. Oh my gosh, it had pink, it had, the nice lime green colors, the turquoise, the purplish blue. This has spring written all over it. So this inspired an entirely bomb look. So I wanted to first put the headband on because I didn't want to mess up the curls. And I did get a little bit of makeup on the front of the headband portion, but the good thing is we're going to be tucking this under so you won't even see it. And yes, I do have a wig cap. It's not necessary, but I just didn't want the clips, because there are about 5. I didn't want them to kind of like dig into my hair. Again, I still like to be careful. You can use a wig grip if needed. Now, you guys know you always want to, make sure that you tighten the Velcro strap at the back to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Who's lost a wig? Drop down in the comments and let me know, okay? Now, I know y'all remember middle school when you had that side swoop bang. Okay, everybody had that bang. I mean, at least once, twice, maybe thrice. It was a big thing back in the day. So I wanted it to be super sleek. So I went in with my favorite flat iron, which I have linked in the description box. I had it on the lowest temperature setting, and then added a bit of hairspray because the frizz and the flyaways, I wanted to tame them as best as possible, and then swoop it right behind the ear. A small tooth comb is going to be perfect for giving you a nice and clean, sleek bang. I've messed up some bangs before, so I was being very careful, and I just needed a little bit more hair to go into the bang, so I took a little bit down, did about 2 passes with the flat iron, and then I'm back. Sometimes you got to do things more than once. The thing about my journey is I don't shy away from showing, like, sometimes you need multiple attempts to get the slay that you like. But all in all, what y'all think? I think this hairstyle is pretty simple and straightforward, and it offers styling options for literally everyone, okay? Now, don't forget to add that bobby pin. I did end up adding 2 total just to make sure it is secure. And then you can go in and actually use the wand curl to curl that portion that sits at the back, unless you want to pin it up. But I pulled that headband up, and girl, I just started getting all into this style. It's like, it's big hair, but it's textured. I just feel like it's so me. It's so spring. It's just so bomb. And if you don't have double prong clips in your collection, I'm gonna need you to step it up. So one thing that I will say about this particular headband wig, the curls, they definitely, they held a curl for a bit, but I wish it were a little bit longer. They're definitely going to drop after about 8 to 10 hours, but then you can put this into an updo, like, use like a duck clip or an alligator clip to hold it up, and it looks so gorgeous. Like, the style inspiration is crazy. But make sure you use the code ASHeadband30 so you can get $30 off your headband wig. Asteria hair is not playing. You need to jump down to the description box, figure out how you can get your hands on this. They're super affordable. And again, go heavy with that hairspray for this particular texture. I love it. Okay, so back to what I said in the beginning, because I said what I said and I meant it. And if you feel me, meet me in the comments. In 2021, don't let anybody shame you out of your slay. I don't care what flaw they believe you have or anything they try to critique you on. You own the power, okay? So take it back, sis. You are it. And that's just that on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.